Today we were blessed with a snow day, and one of our favorite wintertime activities is to make some good old-fashioned snow cream. You need to find some nice, clean, fresh snow. Don't get anything where the birds have been hanging out, if you know what I mean. So Gentry's going to scrape this off, just getting the fluffiest stuff in the bowl. You don't want to scrape the ice in there. Make sure you just get the fluffy top stuff. We don't want to get any junk in it again. And oh my goodness, that fancy dancy store-bought ice cream has nothing on what the G brothers can do. These G boys, they do a fine job. Just want to scrape that off on here, and I think he brought 2 bowls. He's got one's a pretty good sized one, but once it has all the ingredients in it and it's packed down, it really kind of, you lose a lot of that volume, but boy, it sure is good. So pile it on there nice and tall. All right. So now we'll move over to this other small picnic table and we'll fill that bowl up. We're gonna fill that one up too, and it's a small bowl. Fill it up again, good clean snow. Man, this stuff's powdery too. Pile it up on there really nice. That way we have plenty. Put a little more, heap it up on there. Oh yeah. Looking good, gent. All right, now step 1, fresh snow. Now step 2, go in and warm up and let's add some ingredients. What do you say, dude?
Yeah.
All right, let's head in. Now comes one of our favorite parts of snow cream process. We have our ingredients, obviously the snow. Then we have lots of sugar. That's a full cup, but we may just add a little more. We like it really sweet. And then obviously we have the vanilla. You can have berries or whatever. We just like good old-fashioned snow cream. Jench is gonna go ahead and sprinkle about half the sugar on top of this. Nothing fancy, just get it all over it, because I'm gonna mix it up here in a little bit. And if you run a real mess, you give the blender to the kid, and they make a real mess for you. So if you want a mess, give them the blender. Otherwise, let them pour the ingredients. All right, that's good. All right, now Gentry's gonna get the. I'm going to put a teaspoon of vanilla in this, and I'll pour it in here for him. And we'll fill her up. He found out earlier today that's some nasty tasting stuff. Alright, go ahead and just dump it all over the top. Just kind of sprinkle around there. And again, you can add more if you want to. Alright, so now we're going to cut away just for a second. We're going to use the blender and make a mess. Oh my. Oh, make a mess now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Snow cream mess. Mess never tasted so good. Oh my goodness gracious. I forgot one of the most important ingredients other than the snow itself. The cream. We also have the cream. Had it ready. Just didn't have it out. So now we're going to really have some fun with this. So I'm going to drizzle it all throughout it. Going to take about a half a can for this, so we really like to make it nice and creamy. And obviously, I think that's where the snow cream part comes from. Snow plus cream I thought we were always told never to eat yellow snow. Ooh, this is snow cream. Gentry's going to go ahead and sprinkle the rest of the sugar in here as I mix it. Oh, it's starting to look good now. All right. We're going to have professional taste testing here. Let's see what we think. Okay, let's see what you think.
It's not sweet enough.
Not sweet enough, needs more sugar? Does it need more vanilla?
Yeah.
Okay, a little more sugar, a little more vanilla. Alright, back to the mixing pot here. We've added the extra sugar, we've added the extra vanilla. We're gonna mix it up. And I can even smell the vanilla now. Okay, gents, see what we have. Let's see what we think now. My goodness, that's a taste test done, right?
Good.
It's good stuff? Oh my goodness. Friends, there you have it. Good bowl of fresh snow, some cream, some vanilla, and lots of sugar. G Brothers Outdoors creating a wintertime tradition, snow cream. Now time to sit and eat.